Ever wondered if your Lyft driving gig can follow you across state lines? First things first, understand that Lyft driver requirements vary from state to state. California, for example, might have specific regulations about vehicle inspections or background checks that are different from other states. Log into your Lyft driver app and navigate to the account settings. This is where you'll find the information you need to update your driving region. Look for a section about your vehicle or vehicle registration. You'll likely need to add or update your vehicle information to match the requirements of the new state you want to drive in. This might involve uploading new documents. Double-check that your driver's license is valid and meets Lyft's requirements for the new state. In some cases, you might need to update your driver's license if you're planning on driving in the new state long-term. Lyft might require you to complete a new background check or resubmit documentation specific to the new state. Be prepared for this, as it can take some time to process. The best way to find the most accurate and up-to-date information is by visiting Lyft's official help center or contacting their support team directly. Search for details on driving in multiple states or changing driving regions. While driving in another state is possible, ensure you've ticked all the boxes to remain compliant with both Lyft's policies and local regulations. Safe driving.